A long time ago, in the ancient land of the Yoruba people, there lived a girl named Oya. Oya was not born from a cradle, but from the very breath of the earth itself. Before she was the goddess of storms, before thunder dared call her name, Oya walked among mortals just like the rest of us. She was fierce, unyielding, as fierce as the wind itself. From the very start, she was not like the others. While little girls played, learning to weave and make pots, Oya studied animals. She loved them, and in turn, they showed her their secrets. She was so fascinated by the buffalo, how it charged, how it stood unshaken in a storm. She did not fear the forest like her peers. She commanded it. The spear was her weapon of choice, but her breath was her true weapon. With a flick of her wrist, the hair would rise and spin to the skies. She would do this over and over again, studying the different patterns. And when she was angry, the trees bowed and the fire spat embers like dancing spirits at her feet. Her first battle came without warning. Raiders armed and cruel, tearing through her harbor, stealing from the poor, stealing from the rich, burning homes, and leaving only ash behind. On this day, as she practiced using her spear in the nearby forest, she heard a piercing scream. Raiders! Raiders! They are at it again! Raiders! The warriors had fallen, elders were disgraced, villagers fled in terror. She walked out alone to challenge them, her heart pounding with fury. The raiders laughed and mocked her until Oya raised her arms high and the wind obeyed. Dust rose like angry spirits, and in the chaos, she became the storm. Some say her body grew as tall as three men, her skin glimmered, and horns curved from her head like that of a wild buffalo. And as she moved like wind among them, she defeated them one by one. And when the dust settled, nothing else moved but Oya. From that day, no man dared challenge her. She was chosen not by the crown, not by the council of chiefs, not by the elders, but by storm itself. They called her Oya Ajeja, meaning she who fights with the whirlwind. Iyarawo, mother of the stars. Ayaba Eledaye, queen who shapes the world. Hearing of the defeat, raiders no longer came to their village, and no one dared her. Oya became restless. She had learned the secret of the animals and learned to control wind. What more is there? She wondered. In search of more, one night, beneath the full moon, in the sacred grove, Oya called to the wind, not for battle, but for becoming. Her skin peeled away like petals. Her breath became the breath of the world. And to this day, the wind still whispers her name. When you hear the wind howl without cause, when the trees bend in silent submission, that is Oya reminding you never to forget the power of a woman's root. But this was only the beginning. For far away, a warrior king named Shango, son of Oromiyo, grandson of Oduduwa, master of thunder and lightning, had heard the tales of the woman who commanded the wind. And when they met, the heavens themselves would shake. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the part where Oya meets Shango. May the wind always be in your favor. Till next time, keep your head up.